Recently, CNTSUN Jingmen 15.959 megawatt peaks rooftop distributed photovoltaic power generation project has been completed smoothly. After tense and orderly construction, the project has been successfully completed as expected, with a total installed capacity of 15.959 megawatt peaks. The project adopts the CNTSUN skycourt roof mounting system. The system's stability and power generation efficiency is regarded as a perfect combination of PV power generation and buildings. It not only reduces electricity costs for enterprises, but also enhances the aesthetics, durability, and utilization of the roof. From early design to construction, CNTSUN personnel have upheld the craftsmanship spirit, striving for detailed perfection. The practice provides valuable experience for similar projects in other regions, promoting local green and sustainable development. CNTSUN will adhere to the spirit of efficiency, pragmatism, and cooperation to provide customers with better solutions. In the future, we will work to facilitate green energy development and contribute to achieve carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals.